Microlinked Hair. Oh hey, I have arrived into the next city. So, need to tighten some of these links, like in the front here. So I will do that.
In case you didn't see the video posted before this, I co-washed my hair the night before.
So basically, even though I tightened my hair after 4 weeks, sometimes because my hair is a lot shorter in the front, I end up, well, these are a little bit loose because I just washed my hair. But sometimes I'll end up tightening the front a little bit more often because it's really all about how fast your hair grows. So if my hair in the front that's covering my links is pretty short, then that means as my new growth comes in, it'll be a little bit easier to see even when my hair grows out just a little bit. So and it's not like I'm pulling it super tight. I just loosen the link and then ease it back closer to my scalp so that what's in the front here can still cover it. And the best thing to really help that is to use much smaller links in the front. The ones that are really here at the edge, those are like 2mm links, because if they're huge, then more hair has to go into it. It becomes much easier to see if you were to pull your hair back. So if you're always wearing your hair forward, it's not that big of a deal, but even then the wind will blow your extensions back. You don't want your hair to be blowing back and then all of a sudden you see these big old links, you know, kind of growing out of your head. That's one of the reasons why you use smaller size links in the front, especially if your hair is short. So this one is still kind of sticking out, but once I put the product on, my hair will, because right now my hair is like kind of shriveled, so once I put the product on, it'll kind of like straighten my hair out, straighten the edges up some more. So let's see, here's another one. You can just see that it's growing out, and it's probably a little bigger. So this one I definitely need to loosen carefully, slide it up, and then retighten.
So a better up close and detailed video of the retightening process is available in the full Microlinked Hair E-Tutorial.
So I have this curls control paste. Put it in the front, back, and sides. And then I brush it. So you can see it's already laying pretty nicely. See how smooth it made my hair? Yes, look at these, look. Look. So do that in the back too. Then I'll take my scarf, pineapple wrap, and because my hair is long, I put it in a bun like this with a hair tie. This is just excess scarf, doesn't really matter, but yeah, you can already see. So I'm just gonna take a nap with my hair like this. And then when I take it down, well, I'll do my makeup before the show. And then I'll take it down and I'll brush it. And it'll be nice and fluffy. All right, so my makeup is done for the show. Now I'm going to take down my hair and brush. I'm holding the hair as I brush through it so that I'm not tugging on it. I'm in a little bit of a rush. I'll brush it out some more at the venue. Oh. I think I broke something. Did I break that? Whew, I did not. Okay. So you see the fluff, I'll brush it out more at the venue because I gotta go, but it's already just fluffy fluff. this is my show hair.
So here are my Microlink hair extensions in curl pattern 3, freshly co-washed and brushed out, nice and fluffy and bouncy in all of its glory. And here is my hair after the show. After all the dancing and sweating, the hair is still curly, curls are still popping. Thank you for watching.